Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to a brand new video. Hope everyone's having a great day. As y'all can see, we are in the beautiful city of Las Vegas, Sin City, but we're not here to be sinning. We're here strictly for business.
Hold on. That's not what you told me last night. You said that you wanted to get blacked out drunk.
Anyways, as I was saying, today's video we got something really cool. Check this out. I brought all the goods with me. Alright, so as you guys saw in the last video, I did start an exotic snack business. So I brought a bunch of cool stuff. Check this out. We got the Ruffles Wagyu flavored beef chips. We got Skittles Giants. These Skittles are 3 times bigger than regular Skittles. Pretty cool. Okay, this one is for sure weird. The Fanta yogurt and grape flavor soda. Obviously, I can't drink soda, so I'm not gonna be drinking it. But later on in the video, we are gonna be meeting up with a few friends, and they have no idea I brought all of these cool snacks.
Ooh, I want to try this one.
The Ritz s'mores. We got a few other drinks in there. Oh, I brought some cereal too. We're not gonna show you guys all the snacks until we go and meet up with everyone, but we got some pretty cool stuff.
Some ramen.
Pringles ramen. Anyways, we hope you guys enjoy the video. If y'all do, go down below, drop a like, subscribe if you haven't already. And of course, if you guys want to buy some exotic snacks like these, go down below, click the link and buy some snacks. With that being said, let's go meet up with our friends and start trying out some of these cool snacks. Let's go. Alright guys, so we made it to a random hotel. Our group of friends are right over there in the corner. Let's go meet up with them and surprise them with the exotic snacks. Yo! 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 What up, Dennis? What up, Lonzo?
Jaime, what's up?
Alright, so I'm gonna introduce him one at a time. First up, we got Dominick. He's a good friend. Actually, I don't know if he's a good friend because he doesn't want to tell me how many locations he has.
Never will. Never
or
will.
machines. Why not?
Just don't. I was told never to do that.
He's not my friend no more. He's at the video. We got Lonzo over here. We got Dennis. You guys might remember him. He stole our pecan pie from like a long time ago. Oh, and now I can open it. It's pretty cool. And we finally got it after so much time.
We'll show you all of our locations.
Y'all might know who they are. They're Quick Play. They have quite a few viral videos on TikTok and YouTube. Alright, but anyways, for today's video, I actually brought some stuff in here. I want to surprise you guys, and I think it's gonna be pretty fun. You guys ready?
Yeah!
Let's get a quick drum roll. Quick drum roll.
I want them Skittles, bro. Thanks. Wagyu flavored chips,
Hey, where can they buy all this stuff from?
ExoticWorld.us.
There we go.
ExoticWorld.us. Don't forget it. Don't you dare forget it.
Alright, so again, like I said, we are going to be trying out these snacks for you guys and basically rate them and see if they're good or not. So, oh, they're already getting started.
Look at that. That's huge.
They're quick on the plate.
God. So good.
Buy it.
So basically, they're 3 times bigger than regular Skittles.
It's so much more flavor.
So it's more flavor?
It's
Oh,
bigger.
they're bigger.
It's so much more flavor.
Like that. Again, it's a bigger Skittle.
They're so good, man.
Damn.
Thank you so much. Green here is.
Thank you.
Good?
Oh, I thought it was green apple.
It's a burst of flavor.
Every flavor is actually the same. You know that? And they just change the colors, and it's a mental thing.
Shut up.
Not even kidding.
You just
Shut up.
fucking video.
They're different. This one's actually blackcurrant. They are different.
All the same
Are
flavor.
they?
They're all the same
What
flavor. I
up?
promise
I gotta
you.
try 2 different ones.
Nah, the orange and green taste different, man.
All right, guys, check this out. We got Skittles Cookies. I think there's actually Skittles in the cookie.
Oh,
Wanna
you
try it?
think? It says in the name.
Go for it.
Oh my god, it's so good.
Really?
No, you don't have,
Sugary. You got the sugar.
you don't have to sell it that much. Honestly, I don't taste the Skittles.
It just says Skittles, but
I know
we're
for
still
real.
very good. That's like a cookie I like. It's like soft but hard.
Yeah. It just tastes like a cookie.
Yeah.
Need water. It's dry.
It's dry. You're supposed to say it's good so people buy it.
Really good.
This is a business, Liz.
Yeah, it's
The
just.
chips?
yeah.
Hey, those
Yeah,
look pretty
it's
fancy. Those are Ruffles Wagyu beef from Taiwan.
Oh my goodness.
Man, I love Wagyu.
Well, there you go. There you go. Let me cop one of those, bro. Let me cop one of those. Same time. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, you tried it. How does it taste?
Those are really good.
It tastes like beef or not?
It does. It's like a steak.
This is
Holy
I see
cow.
this for like a medium rare.
Yo.
You tried it?
Yeah.
How is it?
Lonzo said it's like a medium rare. It does taste medium rare. It doesn't taste well
I
done.
need to. Did you try this already?
I don't know, because I smelled it and it smelled like the barbecue chips. So
Really?
that's in my head.
Did somebody take a lot or was that really all the chips in the
That's really all
bag?
that came in there.
Oh my god, look at this.
Wow.
Hand out.
Pretty good. Thumbs up. Alright, so for the drinks, we got Monster, Super Cola, we got Lipton, Creme Brulee, or Fanta Yogurt.
Fanta yogurt.
Fanta Yogurt. I don't drink soda, so that's gonna be up to them.
Thank God.
You want ice? You want ice?
Oh, you brought the ice, right?
Oh, he doesn't want it.
Whoa. Oh my God.
for it, man. That's Eli.
That's
Dude.
A1.
Alright, cheers. It's actually Lonzo's late birthday, so cheers for Lonzo. How is it?
Oh, that's good.
Really?
Yeah, it's
I'm
actually
so
good.
jealous. I want to try it.
So I've ordered I had the peach Fanta shipped to me. I have one of the mystery boxes. That was a lot better than this, I'll be honest. I don't like yogurt, so maybe that plays into it. But it's refreshing. I'll say it's refreshing.
Damn.
Alright, next one, I'm gonna pick it. It's gonna be the Maynard Sour Patch Blasters. Apparently, every single person that buys these says that they are the best gummies they've ever had. I'm not even trying to sell it, I'm just saying what the people are saying.
Oh wow. Let's all try one.
He knows how to open them too for sharing too.
Put it in the middle.
Whoa.
Cheers. Put it.
Cheers, boys.
Yeah, are we gonna touch it or not?
No.
Yep. Of course we are. We're bros.
Here we go. Okay, yeah, they are.
I love
really
Sour
good.
Patches, so
It's not even too sour.
I do like it slightly more sour, but that is very good.
that is pretty good. Pretty
If
good.
you like cherry.
That's a lot of cherry. That's really good. A little sour, but not too much. It's perfect.
You don't like it? Wow.
Liz, we all hyped it up.
Edit the video. Edit the video. Edit the video.
Next up, we got Lay's Fried Crab from China. It actually does taste like crab.
You already tasted it?
I mean, smell. Smell.
Oh my God.
Well, they say 90% of taste is smell, so.
It's like I'm eating crab legs
I'm gonna try.
in a chip form.
Bro,
A lot of people that buy
it's
these
like-
don't really like it, but I think it's mainly for the experience to see if it actually does taste like crab.
It's a little unsettling.
Who else thinks it tastes like in
Is it just me or is it like a tiny bit spicy?
It
Not
is,
spicy, but
it
like
is.
it has like a
It's
spice to
spicy.
it.
It's a little
does.
spicy, but
What?
still really good.
Wait, you didn't get one right. My bad, Cody.
Oh, okay, fried crab.
No?
Man, you don't want Jenkins to have crab.
I'm
allergic. Definitely allergic to crab. I'm staying away from that. Honestly, we should be grateful.
Oh, it's a bit
We should.
melted.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, the other chocolate
This is
smells
full bacon
too.
stuff, so this
Oh,
chocolate.
it's white.
Look, guys, it's a bit melted, but maple Kit Kats. Let's see how they are.
That is straight maple. That's like maple syrup.
That's a strong maple flavor.
Mary
I won't
maple.
like it.
Strong maple. I don't know. I wasn't a big fan of that,
You
honestly.
didn't give me any.
I love it.
Oh, you didn't get one?
No, I'm good. I'm good.
Oh, all right.
I didn't touch this.
Your waffles. When you
My
drench
waffles?
it with syrup, this is delicious.
That's good
It's
though.
not bad.
I actually really liked it.
You liked
Personally,
it?
Yeah, I liked it a lot.
Next up, we got Monster Super Cola from Japan.
Sip it.
It smells like cola. Look, it even has the color of cola.
Wow.
Yo, you sure this doesn't
got
have
fizz
Coke?
and
Because I
everything.
can't drink. Yeah, it has
Are
fizz
you
and
sure
everything.
that's not Coca-Cola?
Check it.
No, that is cola. That counts as cola, man. That
You
counts.
don't drink Coke?
I don't drink soda, nah.
It doesn't-
I'm not gonna risk it. It smells like Coke. It looks like Coke. It has the bubbles.
It literally
This
says
is
cola
Coke.
on there.
Yo, Coca-Cola.
No, it's an energy drink Coke. Yeah, you can
Right.
taste like that, like.
That boosted.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You guys taste the aftertaste?
Yeah.
What is that aftertaste though?
It's
Monster?
like sucralose to me.
You taste Coke going in,
Something.
aftertaste Monster. That makes
Right.
sense.
I brought some cereal, but I didn't bring the milk. So I guess that's no.
Shit.
I'll
That's
be over
cool.
tomorrow morning for that. Have some milk.
I got
that'll
you.
Be good.
M&M milk?
Wait, is that gonna taste bad because the heat though?
Why does it look like,
Nah.
like a
cares?
baby bottle?
Who cares? Alright, here we go. Oh, that's chocolatey.
Oh
See
yeah,
that?
look
Shake
at
it,
that.
shake
So
it
that's
up, shake
peanut
it up, shake it,
M&M
shake it. Yeah,
milkshake from the UK.
Yeah, I'll shake it up real quick. Hold on. There we go. I'm gonna drink it straight out. I'm gonna drink it straight out.
How's it? How's that hot milkshake?
That is so good. That's like hot chocolate. Literally hot.
Does it taste like peanut M&Ms or nah?
You can definitely taste the peanuts.
You can smell it. It
You
smells
can
like
smell
peanut
it?
M&Ms.
Yeah. Yeah, you can smell
Where's
it.
this one from?
That one's from the UK.
UK?
Nice. Really good.
Shake this.
That is A1
Wow.
I ruined the shirt.
Ruined.
White shirt too.
Oh.
It's like a cool thing, but
It's like melted peanut.
It really
M&Ms.
does taste like peanut M&Ms.
Yeah.
But for the next one, we can do the Oreo, grape, and peach, or the Hershey cookies. I feel like,
Oreo.
yeah, the Oreos, right?
Yes.
I feel like these
Oreos.
are just cookies.
I love Oreos, man. Ooh, you never see that, the green and
Yeah.
pink like that. That's so neat.
They do us dirty in America, man. We don't
I
get.
know.
We don't get all this.
It's not
awesomeness.
fair.
Yeah, right.
You gotta go to exoticworld.us to get this stuff,
Exactly.
guys. It's not fair. You can't get it in America unless you go to exoticworld.us. I'm sorry. There we go.
Oh, look at this. Check this out.
Silly.
Yeah, I can't really see it because the green is kind of light, but it is pink and green. Again, the flavor is grape and peach, and it has a pretty strong smell.
doing a great.
Not a fan?
Oh no, I need some milk.
Those were really good. I really like those.
I liked it too. It was really good.
It's kind of like children's toothpaste. That kind of smell.
Ew.
I thought they were really good. Why am I the only one that really liked them?
No, they're really
know.
good. They're really good.
I didn't really like. I mean, I don't know. I didn't like it.
I really like some.
It's a little too much flavor.
I mean, like, it's not your typical Oreo, but that's not why you buy these things, you know? It's not your typical snack.
It's like
Right.
midnight. You want some cookies
Midnight,
with milk.
you know,
You'll
you
go for these.
potentially are hungry. You go for those, yeah. I would
It's
go
a
for
little
those.
extra flavor than the regular Oreos. It was really good.
Oh, I guess they're good. Alright guys, that's gonna be pretty much it for the video. We hope you guys did enjoy. Shout out to everyone for being in the video. Quick play, I'll leave all of their channels down below. If you guys enjoyed, go down below, drop a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure to check out
Exoticworld.us.
I
got it. That was me.
So do we have to pay now, or is it
after
now?
I shut down the video,
Oh, okay,
that's
gotcha.
whenever
Yeah,
you
no
get
problem.
paid. Again, hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
I like how you edit the origins on your website. That it shows where they're.
No, the
from.
website looks great. The website looks great.
His website is really nice.
Did it myself,
Man, how does fucking dude get 100,000 TikTok followers on one video?
For real, right?
Fucking Jaime
Yeah, follow
Ibanez.
me on TikTok if you don't.
Fucking Jaime Ibanez, man. Oh my
First video goes viral again like YouTube.
3.9 million views. Oh, this fucking guy. This fucking guy.